Thanks again for the fill, ladies and gentlemen. This is Flawless Soccer. Pick your team. Box break number 32. Flawless Soccer. Sorry. Pick your team. Box break number 32. Not prick your team, but pick your team. All right, we got 13 spots in this. Remember, Zenit and Cameroon are a combo spot, so if anybody wants those, you can pick those as a combo. Also remember, spots 11, 12, and 13 each get $10 break credit. So here we go. Here we go. So let us do the dice roll. Three times. Wow, we're only going 3 times. All right. Here we go. So we've got Chevy, Nordy for 2, Groobs, Alpine Ice, St. Fan 2000, Groobs again, Anarita, Tex X, 1987 Twins, 1991 Twice, and the Fanatic. Change your name to Random Hates Chevy. You got it. Random Hates Chevy. That's better. Just remember, whatever happens, wherever the Fanatic ends up, it's not my fault. That's my disclaimer before we get started. 3 times. 3 times. All right? Here we go. 1, 2, and wow, look at that. He's like, stop right there. Sorry, Groobs. 3. Groobs, well, you ended up on top again anyway. Tex X, Random Hates Chevy in the 3-hole. Nordy, Joshua, Saint Fan, Fanatic, Anarita, Nordy, Alpine Ice, Groobs, Anarita, and Joshua. All right, what that means is Groobs, Anarita, and Joshua, you each get $10 break credit. I am adding that in right now. So, Groobs, Anarita, and Joshua. Richard, Anarita, and Joshua, you guys each have $10 for whenever next time you grab a team. Just remind me. Break credit, $10. Eventually, I will remind you if you forget. But anyway, let me print this out. Yeah, exactly. Right in the middle. That's like exactly like Switzerland. Well, I'm not in trouble because his other pick ended up higher than yours, Chris. If Random Hates Chevy was like down in the 12 or 13 spot, then I'd be in trouble. All right. Okay, let's start drafting here. I don't have that board up nice like last time, so I will read off the teams as we go by price. I'm gonna assume you're gonna draft by price, but I'll just announce them and then I'll let you guys pick. All right, the highest price teams on the board are Spain and Bayern. Spain and Bayern are the highest priced teams. Bayern is priced at $125. Spain is priced at $115. And then after that, we have several $50 teams, Uruguay, Mexico, and Colombia. So Groobs is first, and Groobs wants Spain. Thank you, Richard. Who is in the second spot there? Tex X, Brian, you are up. Best Bayern. Anyway, okay, so those are the big 2. Bayern goes to Brian. Brian has Bayern, Tex X. Yep, there you go. Would you like either that or you could go for the Mexicans? Colombia, Uruguay. Which one is it going to be? In fact, there's a very realistic possibility of there being one of those guys in that box right there. Considering we pulled a Pele. I would like to see a Pele Messi or a Pele Ronaldo combo, though. That's what I would like to see. Chomper, so he's going Uruguay. So Chevy has Uruguay. Nordy, you're up. Would you like Colombia, Mexico, or then we go down from there? Poland, Serbia, Galatasaray, France, and so on. Mexico for Nordy. Well, I've got to get me one of those. I got to get me one of those emojis like Sook and George have. I'm at a I feel inadequate now. All right, who's next after Nordy? Joshua, you're up. Joshua, highest dollar team left is Colombia. Second highest is Poland or France. That's right. Tell him I'll give him break credit if he makes me one. Soccer Breakers FC, baby. That's what. Okay, so just so you know, teams left. You're gonna go with France, correct? Colombia, France. You're going with France. Nothing wrong with that. Next up after Joshua is Saint Fan 2000. Colombia for Saint Fan 2000. All right, Fanatic, you're up. Right in the middle. Okay, here's what's left. Make sure I do this right. Give me a sec, guys. Switzerland, Serbia, Poland, Galatasaray, Chile, Bosnia. Remember, guys, Cameroon and Zenit are one spot. So we're going to get rid of the Cameroon spot. Cameroon Zenit is a combo spot. So that's like a $25 combo spot. So basically there should be highest dollar amount teams left are Poland and Serbia at 29. Next highest are Galatasaray and Chile at 25. So Serbia for the Fanatic. Okay, after the Fanatic, Anarita, we've got Poland, Galatasaray, or Chile are the highest dollar teams left. That's correct. Galatasaray and Chile both hit in box 1. Poland for Anarita. All right, Nordy, you're back up. We have either Galatasaray, Chile, the combo spot of Zenit and Cameroon. Zenit also hit in box 1. Or Switzerland or Bosnia. So choices are Galatasaray, Chile, Galatasaray or Chile, or Switzerland, Bosnia, or the combo spot of Zenit and Cameroon. Combo for Nordy. Alright, so you got Zenit and Cameroon. Okay, that means Alpine Ice. You are next. Alpine Ice. Would you like Galatasaray? Would you like Chile? Or would you like Switzerland or Bosnia? Oh, did I not mod Alpine Ice? Is he down there? Unmodded? What the heck happened to Alpine Ice? Oh. Alright, well, Alpine Ice, I guess I have to pick for him then. Let's see, Chile or Galatasaray. Galatasaray hit already. Yeah, both hit. All right. Well, I'm still gonna go with Chile for him. He's not here. I mean, they can hit in two. I've had teams hit in both boxes all the time. So, Alpine Ice takes Chile. Groups, would you like Galatasaray, Bosnia, or Switzerland? Yes, I did. We had a Pele in the first box. Tonight's the night. It's gonna be all right. Yeah, Goobs, you're up. Your choices are limited. You either have Galatasaray, Galatasaray, Switzerland, or Bosnia. Those are your three choices. Galatasaray, Bosnia, or the Swiss. Bosnia. That was Julian. That is Fuel 77. That's who got the Pele. All right. Anarita, would you like Galatasaray or Switzerland? Wow, everybody's staying away from Galatasaray. Tell you what, Anarita, I like Galatasaray's chances. Last spot, Joshua, you get yourself Galatasaray. Alright. No love for the Turkish team. Alright, here we go. This again is Flawless Soccer, box number 32. Here are your teams. AC Milan, Claudio, Ajax, Dominic, Pedro, Argentina, Anarita, Atletico Madrid, Pedro, Belgium, Borussia Dortmund, Joshua, Julian, Brazil, Richard, Bosnia, Alpine Ice, Chile, Saints Fan 2000, Colombia. Yeah, you hit this, man. That was in the first box. Colombia, Saint Fan 2000. Croatia, Moro. England, Sook. Barcelona, Dave. Bayern Munich, Brian. Tex X. FC Zenit and Cameroon, Nordi. France, Joshua. Galatasaray, Joshua. Micah, Germany. Italy, Joshua. Kyle, Ivory Coast. Mexico, also Kyle. Netherlands, Zinger. Paris Saint-Germain, Claudio. Portugal, Simon. Jeremy, Real Madrid. USA, Sook. Anarita, Poland. Serbia, Fnatic. Grooves is Spain. Anarita, Switzerland. And Uruguay is Chevy. Oh, you're welcome, man. You're welcome. You're welcome. Finally pulled it. Wasn't super short print, but heck, it's a Pele is a Pele. We will take it for sure. See if we can pull you a sick 1 of 1. We had that one case where we pulled a 2 of 2 Pele and a 1 of 1 Oscar out of the same case. Stuck it back on there. It's all repaired now. Come on, one time. I need some sickness. I need some sickness one time. It's about time. Let's see a Pele Ronaldo or Pele Messi case. First up, 8 of 10. 8 of 10, Mr. Didier Drogba. Ivory Coast. There you go. Breakers hooking up breakers. That's Nordy. 8 of 10. Nordy on the board. Nordy. Nordy. Next up. Oh, wow. That next one's sick. That's the second one of this card I've pulled. 8 of 10. Yelovich of Croatia. This next patch is nasty. I pulled the same exact card, the exact opposite side of it. You'll see what I'm saying in a minute. 8 of 10. This goes to Croatia is Morrow. Who's got this team? I know this exact card, it's a patch card, but this exact patch card sold for 150 bucks. I've been following it. Sold for $150 a couple days ago. Croatia, this is Morrow. And this is the second one of this card I've pulled. You'll see what I'm talking about. Going to my brother from another mother. Zinger in the Netherlands. How about that nasty baby right there? Look at that sick puppy. Holy crap. 2 of 5. Daily Blint. That one, I've pulled the exact this side of it, the MAN part. Now we got like the United part. Or the UN or whatever. We pulled, anyway, it's very nice hit. Pretty sick looking. These cards are very patch sensitive, so a patch like that, especially a Man U fan, they'll be like throwing their pocketbook at you. AKA Sook. Where's Sook? Sook would pay a pretty penny for that card right there. That's going to Zinger. There you go, Zinger. Congrats. Very nice. Wow, really? Really? Let me see. Yeah. This guy has 2 teams. Talk about breakers, hooking up breakers. How about Jorge Campos, George's Tio Jorge, 10 of 10. Going to Kyle. Nordy hits with Ivory Coast. Now Nordy hits with Mexico. 2 for 2. Ten of 10, Jorge Campos. There you go, 300 bucks. That's what I would say too. The Breaker Special. You can have it for twice the last sale. Boom. Oh, let's see. What do we got here? That is Nordy. All right, finally. Geez, I was starting to get worried here. He's going to kick my ass. How about Frank Lampard, 1 of 25, soul of the game. Hooking up Sook and England. Frank Lampard, 1 of 25. Wow, this is 2 cards for Nordy and now a card for Sook. What's going on? Talk about rigged. Which card was I supposed to hit in the first case, Groups? Oh, is that the Mexico one or what? I'm sorry, I don't know. I can't remember who you had enough. I think you had Mexico, right?
Hey, do you have those papers that are faxed?
Huh?
Do you have those papers that are faxed?
Yeah, let me finish this.
Yeah,
yeah, I do have it. Frank Lampard, 1 of 25. England, that is Sook. Chevy's like, give me anything, man. Alright, geez. This is starting to get ridiculous. Sook gets 1 hit. Sook gets a 2nd hit. 6 of 10. Clint Dempsey, USA. Sickness right there for the USA. Alright, that's it, Sook. No more hits for you, man. Oh, the Mexico one. Yeah. Wow. A couple teams doing really well in this box here. 6 of 10. That one is going to USA and Sook. So how many did we hit him? We hit him USA, 2 USAs and an England. So Sook did hit 3 times, so he can't complain. I didn't hit anything for him. 3 cards. Has a chance at more potentially. 6 of 10. Alright, next up. Rich getting richer. All snap. 2 of 10. 2 of 10. 2 of 10. Ruud Gullit. Sickness for the Netherlands. Going right back at Zinger. Right back to Zinger. Dutch killed it in that box. Very nice box for the Dutch. I know, you were like talking about it, right, Richard? And then he typed in and you were, that's when, yeah, he was contemplating. Well, all I can say is this next card, there's going to be a lot of people kicking themselves. When I show this next card, there are going to be a lot of people kicking themselves in the certain area. Netherlands. Shoot, sorry, man. My apologies in advance for this next card. Congrats to who? Yep. Alright, here we go. Very nice. How about James Rodriguez, Colombia, 14 of 15. Congrats. Congrats to Saints Fan 2000. I was like, nobody's picking Colombia? They just dropped all the way to Timbuktu. No, it wasn't Galatasaray. It was Colombia. Yeah, sorry, Brian. I knew that was gonna be. That one fell into Kevin's lap, kinda. Colombia. Everybody kept passing on Colombia. Yeah, sorry, Anarita. That's why I thought you were going to take Colombia in this box, but I think you took the French, right? Ahead of... Or no, that was the last box you had Colombia, right? Who had... Yeah, anyway, Kevin got him in this one, right? Yeah, because Chevy got... No, that was the last... I'm confused. Yeah, you were far... Yeah, you couldn't have got him in this box. See, that was the... Yeah. You were far from Colombia. Anyway. Alright, so Colombia goes to Saints Fan 2000. That's Kevin, right? Yeah, Kevin. Sickness there. A little off on the center on this auto, but still pretty sick looking. Alright, let's see what we got in here. Go there, I guess, to start. What a little FC Barcelona, 12 of 20, Michael Laudrup. Barcelona. Dave, another hit for Barcelona. Next up, wow, talk about another team hitting twice. How about Croatia hitting twice? Ivan Rakitic, 5 of 5. 5 of 5. Morrow killing it with $15 Croatia. $15 Croatia gets a 5 of 5. Emerald and a patch card to boot. Wow, yeah, really no German in the whole freaking case, huh? That's pretty unheard of. Alright, let's see what we got on that last hit. Hopefully all of you will hit with that last card, although I know it's not mathematically possible. Anyway, this goes tomorrow. Well, this last card is one of these suckers. I saw it. I got so excited. I thought it was going to be Messi, but it ended up being some guy named Thomas Vermaelen. Barcelona. Not exactly the way we wanted to end it. These are sick, but I don't quite agree with their using these guys as case hits. I mean, if it's a Messi or Suarez or something like that, I'm cool, but that's another I know, sorry JT, that was like freaking Real Madrid got dry humped in that case. I think there was like what, just like a crappy gem card or something of Zamorano in 2 boxes. Barcelona got 4 hits at least for them. Sorry, Brian. That one goes to Dave. Unless you guys want to do a $199 draft, you know, 3, I can do the same price as opening day on that now. If you guys want to do that $398, what were we doing? 2-spot draft. But I need 10 people for that. Vermaelen. But I doubt we could fill that really quick. I mean, I do have another case. There's no way I could fill a pick your team at this point. We'd have to do a, well, anyway, let me do a, sorry, forgot. Let's do the recap of this. All right, recap. We had this 6 of 10 for Croatia, Jelavic. And we had this real sick puppy for the Netherlands, 2 of 5, Daley Blind, Manchester United and the Netherlands. That one went to Zinger, that one went to Morrow. And then we had the Nordy section here, 8 of 10, Didier Drogba, Ivory Coast, and Jorge Campos, 10 of 10, Mexico. That was the Nordy section. And then another gem for Morrow, 5 of 5 to go with his patch. The other gem was Michael Laudrup, 12 of 20 for Dave. And then we had this Ruud Gullit, 2 of 10 for Zinger. Zinger, Netherlands did quite well in this box. Then here come the Sook hits, 1 of 25, Frankie Lampard, soul of the game. And 6 of 10, Clint Dempsey with some patch sickness there. Those are both for Sook, and Colombia going to Saint Fan 2000 and Kevin. And last but not least, we had one of these, Thomas Vermaelen for Dave, 6 of 10. And that'll do it. All right, let me end this. Yeah, I'll post the 199 hit draft if you guys want and see how far we get really quick. Let me end this tape.